Do you want to have clear skin and shiny hair? Get yourself a bottle of flaxseed oil. In this video, I will tell you how you can use flaxseed oil to improve the texture of your hair and skin. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Number 9. A perfect moisturizer. Looking for a perfect moisturizer that is natural and suitable for all skin types? Try some flaxseed oil. Rich in all essential fatty acids, flaxseed's oil nourishes, moisturizes, and hydrates your skin from the inside. It prevents aging and wrinkles. Number 8. Deals with uneven skin tone. Flaxseed oil contains palmitic acid, which helps with uneven skin tone. It also fades out the blemishes. The antioxidant content of flaxseed oil reduces scars and makes your skin radiant. Number 7. Reduce skin inflammation. Flaxseed oil is an excellent treatment for psoriasis and rosacea, which are caused by inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acid in flaxseed boosts the skin barrier function and helps in reducing the inflammation of the skin. Number 6. Helps with dark circles. Have those late-night Netflix routines given you dark circles? No worries, just apply some flaxseed oil and watch your dark circles vanish like they never existed. Flaxseed oil contains loads of antioxidants, which helps brighten up the dull area. Number 5. Treats dry and chapped lips. Dry and chapped lips can be caused by several reasons. And being honest, they do not look good at all. Putting a little bit of flaxseed oil can help with the dryness of your lips. The consistent use of this oil will also plump your lips and make them beautiful. You can add it to your regular balm as well. Number 4. Treats all kinds of scalp issues. Flaxseed oil ensures your optimal scalp health. Vitamin E in it nourishes the follicles. The antioxidant content of flaxseed oil deals with the itchy and damaged scalp. Number 3. Nourishes and adds shine to hair. If your hair looks dull and dry, all your scalp needs is a flaxseed oil massage. It is rich in lignin, vitamin E, and other antioxidants, which add shine and volume to your hair. Number 2. Reduce dandruff. Due to its moisturizing and nourishing properties, flaxseed oil is an excellent option to get rid of dandruff. Number 1. Detox your body and prevents cancer. Consuming flaxseed oil on an empty stomach purifies your body. It removes free radicals from the body, which could grow cancer cells. This brings us to the end of the video. For more health-related content, stay tuned.